There you have it, that's the engine television out there. NISSAN MICRA. So the old timing chain broke there. It's a high mileage engine, and clipped a few valves, so just change the unit. A bit cheapest way out. The next step, I'll get a new engine out and change over the bits and reinstall the whole unit again. Now we have our donor engine, and we'll change over the flywheel here, exhaust system, alternator, and then we'll put the gearbox back on, and we'll put the old unit again. So it's just cheaper to put a engine in than to fix the old one. So next step now, put on our flywheel and clutch and the exhaust system, and we'll assemble everything up. Then we'll set the whole lump back in again. Now we've got the alternator exhaust on there. Now we're going to change the flywheel here and clutch. We just got up the top dead center and just marked it on the compression stroke number 1. Just put a wee mark all the way down here. We'll pull off the clutch flywheel and put it on here in the exact same spot. There's a key here as well. Just to be sure, and we'll line her up. That's our next step. Now the old flywheel's off there. Now you have to make sure now, put our TDC tool, top the center, and crank her up the top, and go on cylinder. Our pin should be at 12 o'clock there. Little pin there. This little hole lines up with that, otherwise the time will be out. This wheel's fitted incorrectly, car won't start. So that's by a little pin there, which the pin's in, and it leaves her, she'll read the sensor here in the gearbox correctly. So make sure this wheel is on the right way, and I marked it. Check it there, and make sure the pin's in. Set 12 o'clock, top dead center, compression stroke. So now we'll put this flywheel gear on, then we'll put the clutch. Good time to check the clutch too for wear. You can change the clutch if the clutch is worn. So next step now, put this all on again, then we'll fit the gearbox on the engine. And we'll change a few sensors here and there, and then we'll slap the whole lot in. That's the next operation. Now get the clutch back on again. Just make sure she's lined up, centralised clutch, and just use a bar to centre it up. Then tighten up the 6/12 screws. So tighten up this clutch now, and I'll put the gearbox back on again. That's our next step. Right, there we go. And there you have it. Gearbox back on the engine. All the bits and bobs are back on. Next step then, we slap on the whole lot. And the starter motor and all screw on. So next step now, when we put her back in. There you have it, the unit set back in again. And next step, you put on all the wires here. That's our next operation on our NISSAN engine replacement. So it's a fairly handy wee engine to fit. Just take the gearbox with you and you're pulling it out. Assemble it up on the floor, screw all the back in again. Just this tight, there's pieces tight to pull the engine down on here. There, motor is now complete, and we took a wee test drive there and we scanned the computer there, cleared all the codes. And then we'll give it a wee fire up, see what she does here. That's the picture engine on this one, the pin chain was snapped and the valves are all damaged in the head, so we're here just to change the motor.